Welcome to Global Hub Media. Today, we will explore the future of social life. Our world is rapidly changing. In the coming years, cities, healthcare, and travel around the globe will transform in ways we can't even imagine. In the near future, many cities will be known as smart cities. This means everything will be connected to the internet. Electricity, water supply, roads, and even houses will be controlled electronically. Imagine using only your phone to turn on the lights in your home, manage traffic on the roads, or complete tasks instantly. Such cities will make our lives easier, our work faster, and our communities safer. Healthcare will also become more modern and accessible. Tests and treatments that now take a long time will soon become faster through advanced technology. For example, simple health checkups like blood tests may be done using just a smartphone. Some healthcare services might even be available free for the community. This will be a great blessing for humanity. Travel around the world is also set to change dramatically. Today, flights take many hours, but in the future, travel time will decrease. Ultra-fast airplanes will take us from one country to another in a very short time. Even local travel within a country will become much easier. Moving from one place to another will take less time than ever before. So, the future of social life will be faster, easier, and more advanced. Smart cities, quick healthcare, and faster travel will reshape the world we live in. But what do you think our future world will really look like? Share your thoughts in the comments below. At the end of the day, what matters most is how we use our time wisely, do good deeds, and make our lives meaningful. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with Global Hub Media, and we'll meet again in the next video.